All right, let's look at the homework 10.4, problem number 7. All right, so we're going to use the basic list of power series for common function for 1 over x plus 1 to find the power series for 8 times natural log of x plus 1. All right, so let's do that. All right, so let's make this following observation. So if you take the derivative of f, what you get is going to be 8 is just a constant in front, so leave that. And the derivative of natural log of x plus 1 would be 1 over x plus 1. So you have x plus 1. All right, we got that. All right, so we can find the power series for this guy. All right, so we have a power series right here. So I'm going to use that. So this is going to be 8 times summation. N goes from 0 to infinity. All right, so it's going to be negative 1 to the n and the x to the n. Right? So if you want the power series for f, all you have to do is take the antiderivative of both sides. So f of x is going to be, right, antiderivative 8 is outside, just a number. Then we take the antiderivative of this power series. So n goes from 0 to infinity, and negative 1 to the n, x to the n. Right, with respect to x. All right, so this is equal to, all right, here's 8. So you have integral. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and integrate it. So it's a summation. N goes from 0 to infinity. Right. So negative 1 to the n is just a constant. So we just kick that out. So constant multiple. Right. Then we have x to the n, so add 1 to the power. I'm just doing the power rule. And divide by the power, so n plus 1, right? And then you have a plus some constant c, right? But if you look at f of, say, 0, right, so 8 times natural log of 0 plus 1 is natural log of 1, which is natural log of 1 is 0, so it is 0. So c is going to be f of 0 is equal to, if you plug in 0 in this power series, everyone has x in it, so all the terms are 0, so it's actually 0 and plus c. And this is half to be equal to 0, so we know that the c equals 0, right? So we know that the power series is 8 times summation n goes from 0 to infinity, negative 1 to the n, x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, right? So let's type it in. So I guess we have to put that 8 inside here. All right, then you're going to have negative 1. So let's see, I'm going to put negative 1 to the n times 8 times x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.